That is the Tower of the Americas. I'm excited! I'm so excited!
How you doing, guys? Welcome to San Antonio. By the way, my name is Daniel. Can you say hi, Daniel?
Hi, Daniel!
Hello, everybody. Salinas, güey, just do it for Salinas. Yes, anything for Salinas. Now, take a look. Table 69. Table 69. Next group, where are you from?
From Philippines.
Where?
Philippines.
Okay, you said that really fast, sir. The Philippines. There we go. I just want to say, you guys, welcome to San Antonio. Y'all have a safe trip back to your final destination. And oh yeah, one more thing. Y'all have a good day and welcome to San Antonio in 2021.
That's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed San Antonio as much as we did. I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye!